Today I want to talk to you about two great new features we released for BindPlane. The first is a brand new source called the Telemetry generator. Now, the Telemetry generator does exactly what it sounds like. It generates synthetic telemetry, and this is useful for building and validating a pipeline or perhaps a destination before you've configured a real source. So once we've added the telemetry generator to our pipeline, we've got a few different generator types. So this is just what kind of telemetry do I want to create. So the first one is logs. We can specify the events per second, severity level, of course give it a body and some attributes. And then host metrics, generic OTLP, if we have an OTLP JSON blob that we want to just insert in here, we can do that, or Windows events. If you've got any other generators you'd like to see, let us know. Would love to hear how else you might want to use this new source. So I hope you'll love it. Again, let us know what you think. All right, and next are agent labels. And so I'm on the agents table here. If I bulk select these agents, you'll see I get a new option to manage labels. Now when I do that, I can add a labels, and our labels are always key value pairs. And so let's say environment, production, or region west. Then we can just hit save, and you'll see those agents get that label. If we click on one of the agents in the agent detail page, those labels will appear as well. So really useful for grouping and organizing your agents. Let us know what you think, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.